So hi guys, I'm making pancake mixture for Sahib. Sahib loves pancake. So I have these oats. These are thick oats. So, and I'm going to grind it. I've also taken 1 cup of atta and I'll be adding half cup of maida. So I always keep this jar for Sahib's pancake. It's easier to mix everything. So I've added oats. I'm adding atta. And I'm adding very little maida because not लग गया
नहीं
पक्का
मम्मा काटते को उधर काट रही है मम्मा
covering by half cup of maida.
देखो मम्मा
Sahib is here asking me all different questions. Sahib, we have to add baking soda. So baking soda I add very little, so just 1 pinch of baking soda. This is what I add. I don't add much. Then you have to add salt. I'm adding senda namak. Again, like 2 pinches will be more than enough. Okay. Now they also tell you to add sugar. Usually I don't add sugar because while I make Sahib's pancake, I add jaggery sugar. But today I have this sugar which is called, what is this sugar called? That stone wala sugar. Mishri. Yeah. So I'm adding that. Like 2 tablespoons I'm adding. Sahib, you have to wait, beta. Then I have to also add baking powder, so that will be 1 teaspoon. So this is a tablespoon, so I'm adding very little. This will do the job. Now for some extra health, I am adding almond powder. इसमें almond है, almond, very little flaxseed and also kesar. So I'm adding that 1 tablespoon. It's enough. I add very less. So now I'm going to give it a mix. That sugar which is in lumps, I'm going to break them down first. This is going to make a very healthy pancake. They suggest, I see many recipes and then I make mine. So they tell you to add water because some of the recipes also recommend you to put milk powder, but I don't put milk powder. I mix this with milk. You can also use buttermilk, but I use milk for Sahib. I use cow milk. So while making, I use cow milk. So last mix. And here is the pancake batter ready. A healthy pancake for your children, for you guys. Yeah. So I will also show you how to make pancake because Sahib wants to eat one right now. So I'll be making the pancake. So I'm taking half cup milk. Half cup milk. Now as I have added sugar, actually the proportion what I use was very less. What they say is 3 cups, तो वो काफी ज़्यादा बन जाता है, but I'm fine with little. So I'm adding 1 tablespoon, 2, 3. Usually this is only what the measurement I have. 3 tablespoons is enough for Sahib for 2 pancakes, which is very filling. Yeah, so my pancake batter is always this thick. I don't do more than this, but then let's try today to make it a little more thicker. I'm going to taste the batter ताकि इसमें मीठा कैसा है. It's nice, but I'll add little more for Sahib because he loves sweet. Half teaspoon. Now you let sit the batter at least for 5 minutes and this is the first time I'm making oats pancake for Sahib. I always make for him like wheat, ragi. The oats is the first time I'm making. So the batter looks really good. It's already been like 3 to 4 minutes. Now let's make some pancakes. So the pan is quite hot and I use ghee. Let it do not touch and just wait. So this is when you have to turn the pancake. This is how the pancakes has turned out. They are beautiful. Actually, I give Sahib with some chocolate sauce, but today I am not giving him because it's had sugar and even jaggery sugar. You like it? Enjoy. Slowly, it's hot.